Welcome to the District of Summerland web map. This video will show how to navigate the map and view different base maps. To pan the map, click and drag the map to the desired location. To zoom in, click the plus button. And to zoom out, click the minus button. You can also zoom in and out by using the wheel on your mouse. If you hold down the Shift button on your keyboard and drag a box, you can zoom into a more specific area. The base map gallery is located here. Currently, we have the imagery base map loaded. We can view other base maps such as street map or a topographic map. The Home button returns you to the extents that you saw when you first opened your map. Another way to choose your viewing area is to use the bookmarks, which allow you to zoom to specific neighborhoods.